Early in the morning of that day, did anything happen out of the ordinary?
Yes, he woke up angry. Signified me. He jumped on top of it, like came against my face.
Let's go back up to Michigan though, and there's my mouse. Let's see what's going on with Judge Oakley.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth today? All right, come on up here. There's a ramp right here. Don't trip. You're going to take that chair right there. All right, Ms. Evans, have a seat there. Settle in. When you're ready, counsel.
And good morning, Ms. Evans. Can you please spell your name for the record?
Janae Evans, MJANIA, Evans, EDANS.
Thank you, Ms. Evans. Now, were you present at a 35012 Michelle Drive in Romulus, Michigan on October 10th, 2025? Okay, and what is that residence? And were you there with someone else on that day? Who? And does Danny have a last name?
Yeah.
Now, who is Danny related to?
Say that again. I'm sorry.
Dating at the time?
Thank you.
So if you could, I know this is microphone, you gotta be with right into it, so if you want to adjust it, you do so. Feel free.
That better?
A little hard,
That better?
a little closer. Okay,
Okay.
there you go. You got that?
Yeah, thank you. Okay.
So, ex-boyfriend dating, fair to say you could point him out if you had to. All right, so is he here in the court today?
He is a gray jacket.
At this time, and ask the record identified?
Noted.
All right, so you were there with Mr. Adams that day. Were you there, early in the morning of that day? Did anything happen out of the ordinary?
Yes, he woke up angry. Signified me. He jumped on top of it, like came against my face. It was just that heavy.
All right, I'm just gonna stop you there for a minute. So you said, put your hand up to you and you gestured,
He was on this, like push my face to the laying on my bed. He was beside me. And he put his hand on my face, pushed my face up against the wall. And he was fist back up. He was gonna hit me.
and just for the record to reflect, witness grabbed her left hand, put her thumb on one jaw and her index finger on the other jaw, lifted it up, till her head was stretched back, and then balled her other fist, about 90 degrees, upward.
Noted.
After that, did anything, did he say anything at that time?
We were just arguing about it, but the details of arguments were, the fight began, essentially, technically the night before, leaving that, my daughter told me to stop, that she just belonged. So it started off that night, went to bed angry, woke up still angry, just that was before the nonsense. And then it escalates where he put his hands on me. And then I got up, I was like, I'm getting ready for work, told him I was getting home, you know. At that time, we said, we're gonna be, I was like, you go here, I'm going to Australia, I'm getting home, I'm coming back to get stay. Okay, that's fine.
But who, by his statement?
No, she's testifying to her own statement. Which is not a court statement, all for the truth of the matter is certain of what she said.
Okay,
So. You recall saying those things? correct?
yes, correct.
So going ahead, after this physical altercation, you said you went your separate ways, correct?
So I was getting ready for work, that's what I was saying, I was getting ready for work. And I had been, and taking care of my mother. So getting to work, taking care of my mom, and on to my kitchen area. And I could see out the open window where my daughter was going to be her. It's coming back into my driveway.
Okay. And did you see a driver?
Yes, I can get a mouse, I went to my front door, open up. My, I mean, open my.
So let me just clarify. So you're outside right now?
No, I'm inside looking out. So when I look out, I walk out, open my door, and then I'm outside.
Okay.
My side door.
So now you're outside your side door and you see. What do you see?
Yeah, I think, you know, my daughter's boiling his car. He throws the keys at me. My daughter's boiling the keys and walks down to my car, which is now parked on the side of the road in the house.
So your car is parked on the side of the road in front of your,
Yes.
and what happens next?
He asked me, am I hungry? Like, would he please put my car back in the driveway? And he's,
I'm gonna object against you.
okay. Well, I asked him to put my car back in.
Hold on.
Oh,
No, I can answer it. You just can't. So, Judge, I don't know if it's. Her statement, she can testify to what she said in the moment. I don't think it's hearsay.
Overrule the objection, move on.
So, going forward. What are?
So he hopped my car. He asked me if I was ready. I told him to put my car back in my driveway. I was like, I need to put my car back in my driveway. If you don't, I did say I will call the police. And then he said, what are you gonna be able to do if you got sister? Call the police. He said, nothing's gonna happen to me, because I never been in trouble, essentially. And he took off my car. I called him one, where we're at now.
Alright, so he drove off in what vehicle?
My Jeep, my 2019 Jeep Cherokee.
Okay, and is that his name? Does he have keys to that? Yeah, keys. Have you ever given him, or I'm sorry, have you given him a set of keys for that? He's never made a, did I ask, has he ever made a payment for that vehicle? And did you give permission to use that vehicle?
I did not.
Judge, I don't think I have anything further.
Ms. Khan, questions for Ms. Evans?
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm gonna ask you some questions. If you don't understand the question, I need me to rephrase it, let me know and I'll do my best.
No problem.
At the time of the incident, you and Mr. Adams were dating.
Correct.
Mr. Adams spent a lot of time at your house.
Good.
Around. You would occasionally spend the night.
Good.
You would go back between your house and his cousin's.
Correct. Or his mother's house.
Oh, or his mother's house, thank you. And when you would stay at your house, you would stay in your bedroom,
Correct.
and you had a physical relationship.
Correct.
And Mr. Adams, and you, on direct indicated that there had been some fight related to your daughter the day before, correct?
Correct.
Did your daughter live with you?
She is.
How old is she?
She is 22.
Who else lives there?
My daughter, her boyfriend, and my elderly mother.
Mr. Adams does not have his own car,
He does not.
but he's previously used your car.
Yes, he has.
He's run errands.
He has, yes.
He sometimes would use your car to go grab his personal effects from his cousins or mom's house.
He has done that, yes.
And in fact, he used your car the day before you called the police, correct?
And I don't remember.
Yes. Let's see.
I don't remember the day before. I take that back. I drove my car. I took him to his mom's house to pick up his things. I drove.
All right, and what day was that?
I think that was the day before. That would have been the day before that. It was between that day and the day before that. Can't remember that.
Okay, that's okay. How many times would you say that Mr. Adams had driven your car on his previously?
A handful of times. He's driven, because he did help me with my mom before. So he took me to work and went back and got my mom to, do things for my mother. Yeah, so it's been a handful of times where I gave him permission and said yes.
Okay, and the length of you and Mr. Adams' permission, relationship was about 2 months.
Correct.
And at the time of the incident, when you called the police, you were under the influence
No,
of marijuana?
no,
You talked You gave a victim statement to the police, the Romulus Police Department. And would you recognize that statement if you saw it?
I would.
Ready to go, bro?
Sure.
Ms. Evans, can you tell me what it says at the top?
Domestic violence incident, victim statement.
And I was pointing, that's your name there,
That is correct.
and that is your signature at the bottom,
That's correct.
and that was signed on 10/10/25,
That's correct.
and that's the date of the incident.
Yes, it is.
Okay. And under the check marks, were drugs and alcohol involved, there's a check mark on the yes box.
Yeah, but not me. I wasn't saying me.
Okay. Were you saying that Mr. Adams is under this?
That's correct.
I didn't do further.
Ms. Evans, you can step down. Any other witnesses from the people? Any defense witnesses? Ready for argument? Watch your step on the ramp, Ms. Evans.
About legal.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I would, well, I would. wait. Your Honor, at this time, I believe it's a question of fact.
I agree. I'm going to bind over. AOI date will be 2 weeks from today, which would be 27th, 9 a.m. I will continue bond. And Mr. Adams, I wish you luck downtown. Correct.
Thank you, Jeff.
You're welcome.
We'll try to get back.
Hey, thanks for watching this clip from TCF Live. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And you can join us weekdays live, 9 a.m. Eastern, 6 a.m. Pacific, right here on this channel.